Hi, welcome to the Authentic Gardening channel, where we look at all different ways how we coexist with plants by cultivating them, eating them, or plain just admiring them. Today's video is about potatoes, particularly about what would be a good or perfect time to harvest your potato crop. Let's go to the garden. Potato harvest time depends mainly on two factors. First is your climate, or the agricultural zone you live in. Potatoes will not start growing until the soil temperature has reached 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it will take them about 70 to 120 days to grow mature tubers, depending on the variety you planted. So, the variety you grow will be the second factor determining your harvest time. But the easiest way to track the progress of your potato plants is by observation of your actual plants. They will tell you when they are ready to be harvested. Take a notice when your plants are blooming. That's when they need to be watered well to ensure the coming of a good potato crop. About 2 weeks after the plants finish blooming, you can gently start digging for your first baby potatoes, removing the biggest tubers, just enough for an immediate meal. Make sure that you leave smaller tubers in the ground so that they continue to grow. After the plants finish blooming, they become less erect, lean towards the ground, and eventually start dying back. Look at these plants. Most of them are lying down now, and only a few still stand tall. Those are the ones that I planted later, sticking them in between earlier planted potatoes. Potatoes that are going to be kept for storage should not be dug until 2-3 weeks after the foliage dies back. And here in Northern California, I will leave some of them in the ground, and they will start growing new plants. And then I'll have my second harvest at the end of the season. These potatoes coming fresh from my garden are the tastiest I ever had. I highly recommend you grow your own potato crop. It's easy and very rewarding. So this is my video for today. I grabbed enough potatoes to last us a few days. As you can see, I also grabbed a couple of zucchinis for lunch on the way out, and a bunch of green beans too. I plant in a succession so that my harvest will last longer and I can have fresh potatoes out of the garden for a longer period of time. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, and if you found it useful in any way, you can subscribe to the channel for more tips on gardening and education about all sorts of plants. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.